Question number 36. A battery of electromotive force of 10 volt and resistance R is connected to three resistors R, 2 ohm and 15 ohm, current of 0.45 ohm. Okay, so describing the circuit over here. What are the values of R and capital R? This R and this capital R is asking. What we do is, first let us find out what is this voltage. Okay, this is a terminal potential voltage, which is nothing but 0.48 multiplied by 15. I into R, Ohm's law I applied. How much do I get? Let me take up my calculator, and 0.48 multiplied by 15 will be, I made a mistake here, 0.48 multiplied by 15 will be 7.2 volt. So 7.2 volt is nothing but your terminal potential difference at this point. Now if I equate it to this one, what do I get here? I can get E minus IR is equal to 7.2 volt. Now what is I here? The total current that passes here. Now how much is that current? See this 0.45 and 0.48, both of them add at this node and you get 0.45 plus 0.48 over here, which will be equal to how much? 0.93 over here. Okay, amperes. This is the amount of current, which is nothing but your current I. Okay, so I'll substitute it over here and I get the value of R over here. So what is that I get? I get E is equal to 10 minus 0.93 times R is equal to 7.2, or 0.93 times R is equal to 10 minus 7.2, right? I write it over here. In other words, 0.93R is equal to, what is 10 minus 7.2? 10 minus 7.2, see, we are all dependent on this calculator. 10 minus 7.2 will be 2.8. 2.8, the value of R is equal to 2.8 divided by 0.93, which would be 3.01, which is 3 ohms. So definitely this small r, these two are incorrect. It should either be 14 or 20. That's what we need to know. Okay, now which is this capital R over here. Now we already know what is this potential difference. Now this potential difference should be the same as this potential difference. What I mean to say is, if suppose if I say these two are PQ here and this is R, this is something like S and T over here. Now we can now write VST should be equal to VPQ. And VPQ already determined. What is VPQ? It's already here, 0.48 into 15, which is 7.2 volt. Now what is VST here? If I apply here, I can now say this should be equal to sum of all the potential drops, which should be current I. What is current I through this branch? 0.45. I'll write 0.45 into total resistance. These were in series, so this should be R plus, that is 2 here, right? R plus 2 should be equal to 7.2. So therefore R plus 2 should be equal to 7.2 divided by 0.45. How much will this be? Let us calculate this. 7.2 divided by 0.45 will give you 16. So this should be around 16. So R should be 16 minus 2, which is equal to 14. So 14 ohms. So 3 ohms and 14 ohms. Where is it? 3 ohms and 14 ohms. Answer is here. Okay.